Hi there, I'm Alina Z, raw vegan chef and health coach, and today I'm bringing you my easy tips to making a couture salad. Now, my approach to food is through fashion. So when we're making a couture salad, we're making it's going to be handmade. We're going to make it inside of this apple. Now, couture does take time. You know, it's intricate, it's delicate, and it uses, in fashion, the best fabrics. So in food, we're going to use the best quality and the most fabulous ingredients. And we will dress it up with some edible flowers. So we will begin by first taking this apple, find the biggest organic apple that you can, and we will slice the top off. And then we will take a knife and hollow it out. You can also use a spoon to dig out the inside of this apple. It might take some time, but it is worth it. After all, it's couture. So once the apple is hollowed, my Z tip to keeping it this color and not let it brown, we're going to brush it with some lemon juice. And you can just use your fingers. Just a little bit will go a long way. And now we're going to make our fabulous couture salad to put inside the apple. We're going to start with mélange of fresh herbs and lettuces. Actually, mélange is just a fancy word for, in French, for different types, a mix of things. We're going to use pignoli nuts, which is, again, a fabulous fancy word for pine nuts. We're going to use goji berries. That is actually their name. They're little dry red guys, really, really high in antioxidants. Put them right in here. And then for our dressing, we will take champagne vinegar, about a quarter of a cup, and we will mix it with about a half a tablespoon of lemon juice and about a tablespoon of raw, wild, local honey. How much more fabulous can you get, right? Great, great sugars. Oh, actually, if you have honey in areas where there's pollen allergies, then it can help you to get rid of them. And then pour this over your salad. Once we have the salad dressing on, we will mix everything together. And then, because this salad is couture, it's handmade, we will just put these lettuces and the pignoli nuts and the berries right into the apple. Make it nice and pretty. And you can put the top on if you'd like, but we are going to decorate it with a fabulous flower. Looks like a hat. Maybe put a couple of flowers on a plate. Some microgreens. Actually, let's put them right on top. Some microgreens. The flower. I'll pick this red one, actually. Maybe make this like that. And there you have it. Your couture salad made fabulous and healthy. Cheers to your health!